We're doing some Southern comfort food tonight. Biscuits smothered in gravy. Who doesn't love that? Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's gonna be fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a fitness instructor, but she's not a shit. Welcome back, guys. Tonight, as I said, we are doing biscuits with gravy. Now, I've never really had biscuits with gravy. Honestly, I'm in Canada. I'm not in the southern states. But hey, what the hell? I've always seen them on TV and thought, hey, that looks kind of neat. Let's have that. But I've never done it, so let's do it. Anyway, guys, if you don't know what we do, we go online, find ourselves a recipe, go to the store, pick stuff up, and make it. That's what we've been doing all year. This is day 106 or 107. It's been going really well. We're over 100 days anyway into this challenge, this 365-day cooking challenge, and we're also at we're at 106, we're at 45 for our world record attempt, which is cooking a different recipe off the internet without ever repeating in consecutive days. And we've been doing it really for 106 days, but I've only documented 45, so that's what we'll call it. Anyway, guys, let's get to this one. This one is biscuits and gravy, and I'm looking forward to it. We're starting with the meat. And now, guys, we're going to make Alright guys, so our biscuits are done. I may have adjusted them a little bit. As I've said, I've never made these before. Anyway, we're going to chuck them in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. We'll be back when these are ready to go, guys. Looking forward to this. Welcome back, guys. Our biscuits and gravy are out. They're looking awesome. Come take a look at this. I'm looking forward to this one, guys. I never had biscuits and gravy, you know. It's kind of like a kid in a candy store series, right? So much of this stuff I've never had. Freaking awesome. I love trying all this stuff. Anyway, guys, this recipe is courtesy of Piedmontese.com. I thought I'd throw that in there. Let's give this a try, see what we think. Oh, yeah. Looking forward to this. See what it's like. Mmm. That's freaking good. Damn. That's well worth the time and the effort. That's good shit. That's good. Alright, guys, come on in and take a look at date and time. It is the Sunday, the 19th of April, 6:29 p.m. in Temiskaming Shores. I will take a screenshot of that so we have that. And anyway, guys, if you like what you're seeing, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget that subscribe button. And also, anything you want to see me cook, chuck in the comments. Be more than willing to try it. Anyway, see you later. Bye for now.